Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to Big Mathematics. Today, let's try to learn how to solve or how to differentiate equations using different methods. Now, since we are given y is equal to the x squared plus 1 into 5x minus 8, then we have to differentiate with respect to x. Now, we are going to learn two approaches. Anyone you use, they are going to have the same answer. First, let's try to use, now we are given y is a solution. The first method is, let's try to expand this bracket. Now we have y is equal. Now we expand the bracket to 3x squared into 5x minus 8 plus 1. This one also is going to multiply in this other bracket. We say 5x minus 8. Now 3x squared times 5x, we are going to have 15x cubed minus 3x squared times 8. This one becomes 24x squared plus 5x, because multiplying 1 by this bracket is minus 8. Then from this point, we differentiate now. Now, if we want to differentiate, we say now differentiate. This equation that we have. We want to differentiate it now. We say dy upon dx. Now this one becomes 15x raised to the power 3 minus 24x raised to the power 2 plus 5x minus 8. Now differentiating this one, we say 15 times 3 giving you 45x raised to the power 2 minus 24 times 2 giving you 48x plus 5 times, if you are differentiating 5x, becomes 5. And this is a constant. Whenever you are differentiating a constant, it is 0. Then our dy upon dx becomes 45x squared minus 48x plus 5 respectively. This is what we are asked to differentiate. Remember, this is the first approach that we just did. Now let's try to do also the second approach for you to see. Okay? Now if you also use the second approach, let's try to look at it from this point. We say this is the second approach. We say second approach. Now we want to use the second approach for us to have the same answer like this. But remember, we are given y is equals 3x squared plus 1 into 5x minus 8. The first thing is, this is u and this is v. Then, if this is what we just labeled them, what I'm going to do next is, let's differentiate u with respect to x. We say du upon dx, differentiating this one, then we have 3x squared plus 1. Then differentiating this one becomes 6x. Okay? Similarly, let's use the same thing also to differentiate v. Now we say dv upon dx, this one becomes 5x minus 8. Now this one becomes, differentiating this one becomes 5. Okay, this is the first step that I have to do. Let's just record that. We say record that from product rule. This is the product rule that we are coming to use now. It's stated as dy upon dx is equals v du upon dx plus, now we say u dv upon dx. Now from this point, we just need to apply substitution formula. We replace all these letters with their corresponding value. Then what is v? V is given as 5x minus 8. We say 5x minus 8. Okay? Then what is du upon dx? We have this already as 6 plus, what is u? And u is given as 3x squared plus 1 into, what is dv upon dx? It is 5. Then from this, let's just multiply it and simplify for us to arrive at our answer. We say 6x times 5x, this one becomes 30. We have 30x squared minus 8 times 6 giving you 48x plus 5x squared times 5. 3x squared times 5, this one becomes 15x squared plus 1 times 5 giving you 5. Then this one becomes 30x squared. This is also x squared. We say 15x squared minus 48x plus 5. Then adding these two terms, we are going to have 45x squared minus 48x plus 5. This is what we have to differentiate using the second approach. Okay, now you can see from these two approaches, you have the same answer: 45x squared minus 48x plus 5. It is also the same as this. You can compare and see they are the same. So this is the first method and this is the second method also. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to learn. If it's okay, love you more.